Today we are going to discuss about one of the most interesting topic in geography, that is grid or geography grid. So first I will draw the diagram of grid. After seeing the diagram we will make the points from the diagram. Okay. Now you can see equator and a prime meridian on the diagram. Okay, all of you know which is equator and which is prime meridian. 0 degree latitude is known as equator, isn't it? Then I will draw the remaining latitudes. First one, 0 degree. 0 degree is called what? Equator. 0 degree latitude is known as equator. The next I will draw the remaining latitudes. The most important latitudes, 23.5 degree and remaining and all that we will discuss later. Then I will draw the remaining latitudes also. Then in south also we will mark the important latitudes. Okay, so now the latitudes are over. Now we have to draw the lines of longitudes. Okay, which is the first longitude? Prime meridian. Now I will mark the important lines of longitudes. Okay, western side and eastern side we can see the lines of longitudes. So first we will draw the lines of longitudes on the western part of the world. Okay, these are the important longitudes we can see on the western hemisphere. Now I will draw the important longitudes on the eastern hemisphere also. Now our latitudes and longitudes are over. Now look at the diagram. You can see a network, isn't it? And this is the topic we are going to discuss. Okay, so the network formed by all these lines of latitudes and longitudes are known as grid. Now I marked one grid. See the shaded region, it is known as what? Grid, or it is also known as geographic grid. Okay, so now we will see what is the definition of geographic grid. So what is the definition of geographic grid? What you can make from this particular diagram? The lines of latitudes and longitudes are making a particular network on the globe. Okay, all these are imaginary lines. Okay, just for marking to locate a place easily. That is a purpose. Okay, so you can see all these are lines of latitudes and longitudes. All these lines of latitudes and longitudes are making a network on the globe, and then we can see a small sections, and that is known as what? Geographic grid. Okay, so now we will see what is the definition of geographic grid. What is the definition of geographic grid? The network of latitudes and longitudes enable us to determine the location of any place on the earth. It is called a grid. Okay, what is the definition? The network of latitudes and longitudes enable us to determine the location of any place on the earth. It is known as grid. Then what is another name of grid? The another name of grid is geographic grid. Okay, so this is a topic actually. Now, okay, so the topic of geographic grid or grid is very important concept. If you don't know the concept of grid, you will not understand the remaining topics that we are going to discuss in the coming days, that is latitudes and longitudes. So grid, it is also known as what? Grid is also known as geographic grid. Okay, now you can take any map or a globe, then you can see various sections. Okay, all the map and globe you can see various sections. All these sections are known as geographic grid. Actually, what is the purpose for drawing the geographic grid? Suppose I have to locate a particular place. Okay, I have to reference this particular location. I can't say simply west or east or north and all. So okay, so with the help of grid I can say it is in between these two lines of latitudes and that particular two longitudes. Okay, so you can see the western side and eastern side, the longitudes are there, the north and south latitudes are there, isn't it? So finally it is making a small section. So now the reference is very easy. Okay, so once again, what is grid or geographic grid? The network of latitudes and longitudes are making a small sections on the globe or a map. It is known as grid, and grid is also known as geographic grid. What is the purpose of drawing geographic grid? The purpose of drawing grid or geographic grid to locate a place easily. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this particular topic. Now we will see what is the definition given in the slide also. You can see what is the definition. The network of latitudes and longitude enable us to determine the location of any place on the earth. It is known as grid or geographic grid. Okay, so coming days we will discuss the remaining topics also. Hope all of you understood. We will meet soon. Goodbye.